How to get refund on Temu without returning. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Temu application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now after logging into your account, first of all what you need to do is check the Temu refund policy. If your order falls under Temu's refund policy, you can follow the steps that I'm going to give you to get a refund without returning the item. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch the U section or the option of profile at the bottom right corner, and then simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Here, scroll down and tap on this option of About This App. Now as you tap on About This App, simply tap on About Us. Or rather, you can go back and tap on Contact Us, and here you'll be led to the Contact Us section yet again. So tap on Contact Us, and as you do that, it will lead you to the customer service. So here you can just ask for, can I get the refund? So you can just ask the question like this over here, and as you ask the question, they'll send you this option where they'll be asking you which order would you need the help with. So here it says that you can return the items within 90 days of placing your order. So it will just give you the order and you just have to select the order on which you want to get refund, and you can have a conversation, and as you do that, you'll be able to get refund on Temu without returning. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.